It's Saturday morning and I won a little giveaway. I get to get some free lash extensions done, so I'm gonna go get that done. And this is the before of how my lashes look. I don't have any makeup on right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go get them done and I'll show you guys the after.
Starfruit also venting?
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
That looks good too.
Yeah, I wanted to get something different than you.
Look at the little pieces in there. Oh, those are like the best looking drinks I've ever seen. Medium mocha ice
A
cap.
medium mocha ice cap and a garden veggie sandwich.
Medium mocha ice cream and garden veggie sandwich. Anything else?
Can I also get a large iced coffee?
I want yours. So for my breakfast, I got a mocha ice cap because those are my favorite drink ever. And I got a garden veggie sandwich. It looks like that. Got cream cheese, tomato, and lettuce. So we finished our breakfast. I liked mine. Jonah didn't like his. These are my lashes that I got done yesterday.
Woo!
Thank you. They look really pretty. They didn't feel like anything yesterday, which was good. But today I'm finding that one of my eyes is a little bit red on the side. I don't know if there was like eyelashes in there. Like I was trying to like pull out whatever was in my eye, like random sparse eyelashes, but still really red and really hurt. So I don't know if that's the glue or what that is. But they do look pretty.
They
You
do look
think-
pretty.
you like them?
I do like them.
Hmm?
Good price too.
Yeah, free. Free's a
free.
good price. Yeah, so I don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, but probably have some adventures ahead.
Yeah, it's super dirty window.
You didn't mask up.
Yeah, I know. You don't have to mask up in here.
Can't undo my seatbelt. My nails are too long. I think we should get another one because ours is broken. We can go for like neon orange this time.
Those are cutest.
Mm-hmm. Now that we bought everything that was not essential, we're gonna go to Walmart and get everything that we actually need.
You wanna get it?
Yeah.
Hey. What is between the chin?
That was very tiring.
Wasn't that bad?
My makeup came off with
Oh,
my
I know.
mask.
Oh, my hands. Oh, my God.
to Walmart, we also picked this up that I have been looking at for the longest time. And it's an Instant Pot, so I can finally make so many different things and not have to just stand by a stove. Plus, it's an air fryer. We used all our gift cards on it, but we finally got it. I also got this face brush because I really needed one. This from Winners. And I also got some stuff from Dollarama. This really cute looking lantern. And has some fairy lights in there. And it was only $4. 100% sure where I'm gonna put this yet, but I wanted one of these little lanterns for a long time. And then I also got a bunch of big jars like this. I got 4 of them so that I can organize some stuff in my pantry, because I have a bunch of little jars, but I don't have any big ones or like spices that I have a lot of. So I got 4 of them and they were $1.25 each.